Hello friends, today we will learn A to Z and some color name. Red color, A. A for apple. Blue color, missing letter. B. B for balloon. Light green color. C. C for cat. Yellow color. Missing letter. D. D for dog. Orange color. E. E for earth. Red color. Missing letter. F. F for fish. Blue color. G. G for goat. Light green color. Missing letter. H. H for hen. Yellow color. I. I for eyes. Orange color. Missing letter. J. J for jam. Red color. K. K for kangaroo. Blue color. Missing letter. L. L for lemon. Light green color. M. M for moon. Yellow color. Missing letter. N. N for nose. Orange color. O. O for onion. Red color. P. P for panda. Blue color. Q. Q for quilt. Light green color. Missing letter. R. R for rabbit. Yellow color. S. S for sun. Orange color. Missing letter. T. T for tea. Red color. U. U for under. Blue color. Missing letter. V. V for volcano. Light green color. W. W for water. Yellow color. X. X for phone. Orange color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Red color. Missing letter. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's draw red color. Number 1. Blue color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Dark green color. 4. Orange color. 5. Red color. 6. Blue color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Dark green color. 9. Orange color. 10. Red color. 11. Blue color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Dark green color. 14. Orange color. 15. Red color. 16. Blue color. 17. Yellow color. 18. Dark green color. 19. Orange color. 20. A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. C. C for candle. D. D for duck. E. E for earth. F. F for frog. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for onion. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Let's paint. Yellow color. E. E for apple. Brown color. B. B for ball. Red color. C. C for cat. Sky blue color. D. D for dog. Orange color. E. E for elephant. Yellow color. F. F for fish. Brown color. G. G for goat. Red color. H. H for hen. Sky blue color. I. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for juice. Yellow color. K. K for kite. Brown color. L. L for lion. Red color. M. M for monkey. Sky blue color. N. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for panda. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. Red color. R. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. S. S for sunflower. Orange color. T. T for tiger. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. Brown color. V. V for van. Red color. W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. Orange color. Y. Y for yak. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.